If I was a brand new trader wanting to get into trading today, this is the exact strategy and process that I would go through in order to do that. Now, today in this video, I'm going to teach you my A+ setup that I take almost every single day live on my YouTube. And I want to teach you the process in order to get going for as little as $60 with real capital that you can start trading today and eventually get funded and start extracting money from the markets like me. Okay, so this is what I want to go through today. Later in this video, I'll show you my exact strategy. And right now, I want to show you exactly what applications you need and what sort of accounts you need in order to get started right away. Now, in order to start trading, you actually need a trading account. And years ago, it would cost thousands of dollars and it would be a bigger barrier to entry to start trading. But now, all you need is one of these prop accounts that I'm going to show you here on LucidTrading.com. And they're as little as 60 to 100 bucks. And with this account, what it is, you can buy a 25K account. And once you prove that you can trade and get to a certain threshold, they'll throw a real 25K at you of real funds that you can start building up and actually extracting money from. Okay, and that's exactly what I did. As little as 60 to 100 bucks, they'll throw a real $25,000 at you that you can start actually extracting money from. Okay, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. First, you want to come to LucidTrading.com and scroll down, and I would just get one of these 25K Pro Eval accounts. I would select the platform and I would choose Rithmic Data Feed because this TradeC is the best platform that I think that you can get. And the cool part is you don't have to get any additional software. It already comes with the charting software that you need. So once you go in there, I would go and put the code PW. That's the code that I would use. And they'll give you a discount off this price right here, and it'll come to $94, and you'll get a 25K account. And I'll show you, once you actually go through this process and buy this account, you'll have a live account of 25K. Okay, and once you do that, you'll use the exact strategy that I teach on my YouTube every day that I'm going to show you in this video to actually start growing this account. Okay, if you just apply this one strategy every single day and avoid everything else, you'll have a 70 or 80% probability of actually getting winning trades. And that's exactly what I want to talk about today, okay? So once I do launch this account, I'll show you exactly how everything works. And here is my trading platform. So once you do buy that account, you can actually launch your TradeC account. And you can see here it comes with really nice looking charting software. And this is free that comes with it. If it didn't come with it, you'd have to pay for TradingView, but this is awesome that it comes with it. And on the right hand side, this is pretty much your control tower, okay? So the actual strategy that I'm going to show you how to use is going to help you understand what to do on these charts come Monday morning, okay? So every day I come in here and I go into my control tower, right? So I know whether I'm going to be buying or selling. Either I'm going to be going long or shorting. And now with the strategy that I'm going to teach you pretty quick here, you're going to know whether to buy long or sell short. And then here you can choose the exact contracts that you want to trade with, okay? So in order to start, I would just start with trading with one contract. And it's really as simple as clicking buy or sell. So let's say I were to want to buy here, one contract, and just confirm, okay? It's not going to work. It's going to cancel because the market's closed, but it's literally as simple as that. Once you do execute your order, you can see here that it's going to execute that order and you're going to start going long on the markets. And in order to sell, all you have to do is flatten your position, okay? And this is what I kind of go through every day on my lives on my YouTube. So you can literally just follow along every day at 9:45 a.m. Eastern on my YouTube. I'm live for free, for fun. Okay, so once you do actually go through this process, the next step is actually going to be learning the strategy. And this is what I want to talk about now. If I could just choose one strategy for the rest of my life, it's going to be this one here that I want to talk about today. And it really took me from a struggling trader with inconsistent results to now somebody that can consistently extract money from the markets almost every single day. Okay, and this is what I want to talk about today. Okay, so when I show up on the markets, I mark my 4 pivotal zones. It's going to be my previous day high zone, my previous day low zone, which are the strongest zones. And then my secondary strongest zones will be the pre-market high and the pre-market low. Now, based on where we open up on the day, I know whether I'm going to be on a bullish stance or a bearish stance. And you can see here, we open up on Friday. We were on a bullish stance because we were above previous day high. So I knew any sort of retest at the previous day high or any sort of consolidation above this zone, I'm going to be remaining bullish on the day. Okay, so now you can see as we open up, we started consolidating around the pre-market high and pre-market low zone. And then we started surging above, okay? And as we start surging above, I know I want to start looking for those dips. Now, once I do get that dip down to the previous day high, I know, again, if I remain above this zone, I'm going to remain bullish. So if you can take one thing away from this video, if you can get a bounce at the previous day high or a bounce at the previous day low for a bearish side, this is going to be the strongest up or down, bearish or bullish motion that you can get in the market. Okay, so if you can do one thing and put into your trading is mark the previous day high and the previous day low zones. And as soon as you get a retest of that zone, that's going to be the highest probability trade that you can take in the markets. Okay, and I know this because I've been doing this for almost 3 years. And the data, my data says that if I can get a bounce at the previous day high or the previous day low zones, that's going to be the highest probability trade I can take. All right, guys. So if you can, come to my lives. I'm on live every day at 9:45 a.m. Eastern taking these exact trades. And if you want, join the Discord. It's free. It's in the link in the description. And it's a bunch of like-minded traders talking about this exact stuff every day. All right. See you on the next one.